Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the stock of Newegg Commerce. Now, if you look at this press release, you will see the stock has jumped quite sharply. Now, what has happened? So, this is already an in-house computer assembly service, which it says it will now leverage to build and deliver fully assembled computers significantly faster than other competitive offerings from other companies, right? And instead of just selling specific parts to the buyer who want to build their PC themselves, Newegg PC Builder will also be building machines in house and shipping them fully assembled. Now, what they're saying is, so they are giving now end-to-end solutions, and because of which the stock jumped very sharply. And when I'm saying very sharply, those who have observed the moves, it is actually doubled in a single day. So this is quite a big move. And if you are looking at this chart with this single day move, it is very near to its long-term resistance. When I'm saying long-term resistance, it specifically means that the trading history we have in front of the screen. So right now you had your two important resistance level. First was 29.8, which the stock has crossed, and not only that, it has crossed another resistance which the stock has faced in the year 2010 and 11, which is 64.22. Now the stock is trading above both the levels, and what it is looking for is the big resistance or the target of $102. But keep this thing in your mind that the stock has already moved quite sharply, and in a single day 100% move. But this is the long term chart, so you can see that this candle is quite big. So this candle started from $16 and it is now currently trading at $67. So keep or maintain your stop loss until and unless you understand the trend. Do not simply jump in this kind of trade. If you already have your position, that's a different thing, but if you want to take a new position, you need to plan accordingly. And for that, I have given you the important support and resistance level which will help you. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.